Oh, oops. It'll come back. Chicken Shark. Shark flew to Chicken's house. He's gonna be staying with him. Together. Like Shark flew to Chicken's house. Like I'm talking in public about this. Yeah, so Shark flew over to Chicken and he's gonna be there for about 4 Sounds like I'm speaking in fucking like secretive language. Who the fuck said they're dating? Other species don't mix, guys. I don't know who taught you guys that. Other species, they don't that's not how things work in the animal kingdom. Shark needs to find another shark. Well, when you start seeing half chickens, half sharks running around,
my pleasure.
You let me know, pal.
Your team is cooking.
You let me know. Gee, would it run or swim? Would it run or swim?